Hi everyone,
Assalamualaikum.
Selamat sejahtera.
I'm Shawal.
I am Aina.
I'm Mizan from Persekutuan Pengakap Malaysia. A year ago, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic.
Persekutuan Pengakap Malaysia and the National Rover Scout Council are taking a charitable initiative by producing face shields from home to help hospitals nationwide in the battle against coronavirus outbreak as demand for medical supplies continues unabated. When the storm of COVID-19 hit the country, it got Rover Scouts all over Malaysia in time unprepared. However, the National Rover Scout Council, with support from 10 of the State Rover Council, began the initiative to help hospitals running short of personal protective equipment. Within 2 months, public funds and manpower poured in, the National Rover Scout Council managed to produce 135,994 units of face shield, which have been given and distributed to various hospitals as well as the National Health Services all over Malaysia.
With the government ramping up the national COVID-19 immunization program, the Persekutuan Pengakap Malaysia and the National Rover Scouts Council are bending over backwards and coming forward to help ease the vaccination process for the public all over Malaysia. Rover Scouts across the country were quick to respond to the call for volunteers as part of the Malaysia Vaccine Support Volunteer or MyVac initiative. For their services as volunteer, they receive allowance, but that is not what they are looking for. They were glad to be able to help lighten the load on Frontliners while also gaining a little knowledge about the world of health. Jurais Abdullah, the chairman of the National Rover Scouts Council, notes that currently, MyVac volunteers among the Rover Scouts will be given the opportunity to be vaccinated, and this will indirectly influence their friends to sign up and take the vaccine.
Let's stop the spread of COVID-19 together. Join program MyVac 2021 now as a volunteer. Let's do our part for Malaysia.
Scout Food Bank, initiated by the Sarawak Scout Council, aims to help those in need during the Movement Control Order (MCO) and the COVID-19 pandemic. Gabungan Parti Sarawak Assemblyman Datuk Idris Wak committed a total of 20,000 to the Sarawak Scout Council Food Bank drive to ensure the continuation of the program, which aims to benefit the needy throughout the state. King Scouts Brotherhood Malaysia Negeri Sembilan is endeavoring to provide food to those in need due to the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. They have set up their Scouting for Food shelves and food bags for anyone who is struggling to get food during this pandemic at Pusat Khidmat Rakyat, Parlimen Seremban with YB Anthony Loh.
Persekutuan Pengakap Malaysia has launched some exciting sharing videos to invite teenagers out there to do something worthwhile throughout the pandemic. Even the government has restricted the community movement, especially in sports and outdoor activities that are usually done by young people.
The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated the interconnected nature of our world and that no one is safe until everyone is safe, and also has created a global health crisis that has had a deep impact on the way we perceive our world and our everyday lives. World leaders become ill. Entire countries were locked down to prevent the spread of infection, and international travel ceased.
Persekutuan Pengakap Malaysia held various online academic programs such as scouting workshops, forums, webinars to celebrate the wealth of scouting knowledge, even though physical activity is no longer possible at the moment.
SARS-CoV-2, as we now know it to be called, has killed over 4.14 million people and infected at least 193 million.